Today I'm going to make Mongolian ground beef noodles. This is a really easy, quick recipe. Now, I have doubled the recipe, so that's what you're going to see. I doubled it because I'm serving about 7 people. Let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, for this dish, we're going to use green onion and poppy seeds. Poppy seeds? I didn't mean to get that. I thought it was sesame. All right, for this dish, we're going to use green onion. That'll be for the garnish. I've already cooked. I used the thin spaghetti. I've already cooked that. I'm going to use this chili crunch instead of using the red pepper flakes. It's called chili crunch. I just really love the flavor of that. Garlic, grated ginger, brown sugar, hoisin, soy sauce, and I used the sesame oil in the pot. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef. One is already in the pot, and once I get it done, I'll take it out, do this, and it'll all go back in together. So let's get started. I want that sesame oil you see in the bottom of the skillet, the pot. I want this, when it cooks, I want it to be very fine. I don't want any large chunks. So, if you've been watching my videos, I think you're noticing that I'm in a different kitchen. That's because we moved and I am taking care, I'm the nanny for my great nephew. He's 7 months old now. I've been doing that since a little after he was born, and I am just loving it. So I'm taking advantage of my niece's kitchen today. She is out of the country right now. She's a doctor. She's gone out of the country for 10 days. It's an organization similar to Doctors Without Borders. But she'll be back soon. She can't stay away from this baby. All right, I'm going to remove this 1 pound so that I can do the next pound. Now I'm going to take some of this liquid out. I'm going to add some more sesame oil. And cook the 2nd pound of ground beef. I'm going to get some liquid out. Now I'm going to add the pound of beef that I already cooked back in. All right, so I'm going to add the garlic and the fresh ginger that I grated. I'm going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Let the garlic cook some. Now I'm adding the soy sauce, the brown sugar, and the hoisin. Kind of thick. And the teaspoon of chili crunch. Hang on, stay right there. Remember, I'm using this instead of the Now I'm going to add the spaghetti. I'm going to put about half of it in. Now, see how good that looks? And I'm telling you, it is very good and so easy to make. So let's serve it up. Here we go, ground beef Mongolian noodles. My grandchildren even love this, all ages, from 3 to 15. So here we go. I'm going to garnish with green onion. And if you'd like, you can sprinkle some sesame seeds on it. And it's ready to go. Mongolian ground beef noodles. This quick and easy Mongolian ground beef noodle dish is a perfect weekend meal, packed with bold flavors and simple ingredients. It's ready in minutes, and it's a delicious takeout style dish made right at home. Give it a try soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. And remember, you can find all my recipes on darlenestable.com. God bless, and thanks as always for watching Darlene's Table.